10 Best Current in Service Royal Malaysian Air Force Fighter Jet, Helicopters, Trainer Jet, and UAV. Sukhoi Su-30, Role, Multi-Role Fighter, in Service, 18. FA-18 Hornet, Role, Multi-Role Fighter, in Service, 8. Aerospace Hawk 203, Role, Light Attack, in Service, 13. Eurocopter EC120, Role, Search and Rescue, in Service, 12. Sikorsky S-70, Role, Utility Helicopter, in Service, 4. Pilatus PC-7, Role, Trainer Jet, in Service, 21. SME Aero Tiga, Role, Trainer Jet, in Service, 20. Eurocopter EC120, Role, Rotorcraft Trainer, in Service, 5. CTRM, Aludra Mk1, Role, Surveillance, in Service, 3. CTRM, Eagle 150, Role, Surveillance, in Service, 3. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.